I forgot to mention, when I went to the RomaBio website, why can I not say that? Welcome back to another MILLIE'S Remodel update. Today I need your help deciding on exterior paint colors. When I purchased the house, it had ugly khaki vinyl siding on the front. Believe it or not, the original wood siding was underneath the vinyl and in pristine condition. I had my mason brick up to their doorway. That was the entrance to the laundry room, where you had to come outside the house, make a U-turn to go in and do your laundry, which was just crazy. So now that room has a doorway from the inside, so you can do your laundry from inside the house, don't have to come out. There's also a powder room going in there, and so that's why we went ahead and put the transom lights, so you have a little bit of natural light in there, but still maintain the privacy. Anyway, now that this doorway is all bricked up, I realized I really should go ahead and paint the house. I've wanted to paint the house, but this just gives me a great excuse to go ahead and paint it because, as you can see, none of the mortar matches. All right, so I got the samples in the mail from RomaBio with the Young House Love collection, and I've narrowed it down to 4. And so I wanted to see them outside because, you know, the natural light. Anyway, the ones I'm contemplating are, all right, so we've got Forest Evergreen, Navy Steel, Sage Advice, and So Succulent. I'm leaning towards the green just because the neighborhood has some other navies, but I'm just undecided, so I think I'm going to order samples of at least 2. I'm sure I'm going to get the question, but anyway, this is one of the shingles for the house, and the cool thing is it has little specks of blue and tan, so really any of these colors I think will look fine with the shingles. They're very much kind of a neutral. Do you remember when I asked you guys for your opinion on colors? Guess what? I ordered all 4. I couldn't help it. I just thought, what if I'm eliminating one that I really like? What's kind of cool about this paint is it's specifically made for masonry, and it's by RomaBio, and this is the masonry textured paint. I'm going to try the colors. I want your input on this. Let me know what you think. But I'm kind of excited about this because the paint is supposed to last a lot longer than if you were to just put regular latex paint on your brick. So let's go ahead and try these samples, and I want to know what you think, okay? Great. I put a cedar shake up here because that's, I'm probably going to make some shutters out of cedar, so I want to see how this looks with the different colors. Oh man, you guys are going to have to help me decide because they all look awesome. Darn if this isn't extremely difficult. So let's see. This is So Succulent, this is Sage Advice, this is Forever Evergreen, and this is Navy Steel. By the way, I have to rule out Forever Evergreen, forever, because I lived through the 90s, and this just reminds me of Hunter Green with the brown, so I've got to rule that one out. This is gonna be tough, but I want to show you guys something. So Succulent, which I totally love, I really love this, but the neighbor started painting his house, and it's a light gray. Let me see if I can show you. It's almost the same value, not the same hue because it's gray, but it's so close. Let me show you. See? So I'm afraid if I paint it So Succulent, it'll look similar, and I need something different. Okay, so keep that in mind. And then let me show you one other house too. I feel like a creeper. Theirs is gray. Theirs is blue. It's got some blue and white. So I worry about doing Navy Steel, but it is across the street, and it looks like the Navy Steel is definitely more gray, dark gray. Now I need your help. I've narrowed my choice down to Sage Advice there on the left and Navy Steel. Leave me a comment and let me know your favorite. Oh, but wait, I photoshopped some renderings of the house with different colored doors. Hopefully this will help you make a decision. Please help me decide on the exterior paint colors. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.